In the next 30 days, you could realistically have an entire one-person business up and running, built and sold using nothing but Claude Code. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how, week by week, so by the end of this, you'll have a real plan instead of just another idea sitting in your notes app. My name's Fred. I sell online courses using AI because it's the best way to make money online. My profit is as high as 95%. And my record is making $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. Revenue was over $7,000. So if you want to learn how I do that, you can join my free AI money course or directly book a free game plan call with me. All the links are in the description below. So before we get into the 30-day plan, let's clear up what Claude Code actually is, because a lot of people hear coding and immediately think this isn't for them. They're not tech savvy. They don't know how to code. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding agent. It's a tool that lets you describe what you want built in plain English, and then it writes, edits, and runs the actual code for you, whether that's through the terminal, inside an editor like VS Code, or through its own desktop app. You don't need to already know how to code to use it. You need to know what you want to build and be able to describe it clearly in simple English, and Claude Code handles the technical execution. So instead of spending months learning to code or paying someone thousands of dollars to build something for you, let's say a website for example, you sit down, you describe exactly what you need built, page by page, feature by feature, and it goes and builds it for you. So before, the bottleneck used to be technical skill, and now the bottleneck is just clarity on what you're actually trying to build. So here's the actual business we're building over these 30 days. And it's selling a high-ticket online course built around solving a real problem people have. And before you tell me you've got nothing to teach, I want to stop you right there, because Claude itself can literally research any topic on the internet, pull together the information that already exists from actual experts, and help you structure it into something genuinely useful. You don't already need to be the expert walking into this. What Claude Code adds on top of that is the technical side, the actual website your course lives on, the checkout system that takes payments, the member area where people log in and access their lessons, and any automations running in the background. All of which you can have Claude Code built for you without hiring a developer or learning to code yourself. But honestly, my advice would be don't even use Claude Code for that. Use a software like school.com. It's got all the features. So let's break down week 1, which is all about nailing down exactly what you're building before you touch a single line of code. You spend this week picking your topic, using Claude to research the problem you're solving and outline the actual course content lesson by lesson. By the end of week 1, you should have a clear course outline, a clear idea of who you're selling this to, and a price point in mind. Somewhere between $1,000 and $10,000, depending on the depth of what you're offering. This week has nothing to do with Claude Code yet. It's pure planning, and skipping this step is the single biggest reason people waste weeks building something nobody actually wants. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Week 2 is where Claude Code enters the picture eventually if you want to use it, and this is where you build the actual infrastructure your course is going to be live on. But again, if it were me, I'm lazy, I'm just going to be using school.com and system.io. So you can open up Claude Code and describe exactly what you need. A simple website with a sales page explaining your offer, a checkout flow that takes payments, and a member login area where your students can access the lessons once they're paid. You don't need this to be fancy, you need it to work. And Claude Code can build all of this out for you step by step as you describe what each page and each feature needs to do. By the end of week 2, you should have a working website that can actually take someone's money and give them access to what they paid for. Or you can just host your course on school.com or system.io like I personally do. They've got all the features, it's great. They've spent millions of dollars on these platforms. It's much easier and much quicker. Week 3 is about actually recording and building out the course content itself, using everything you outlined back in week 1. So you're either gonna film this yourself, if you want to have a personal brand, like I'm doing right now. I'm not an AI, it's me, Fred. Or you can use an AI voice clone of yourself, or even an AI visual clone of yourself if you'd rather have a personal brand, but not necessarily record it yourself. Or the third path is to simply have a faceless brand. You use an AI voice or an AI avatar of someone who doesn't exist. All of these paths work. A personal brand is an awesome asset to have because people trust real humans more easily. I think it goes without saying. However, the AI avatar can let you create way more content and most importantly, let you stay anonymous. All of these paths work. Now, either way, by the end of week 3, your actual lessons should be uploaded into the member area that Claude built for you in week 2 or on school.com or system.io. Week 4 is where you actually start getting this in front of people. And this is the part most people rush or skip entirely. You don't need a massive following to make your first sale. You need to start putting out content related to the exact problem your course solves, whether that's on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever your ideal audience already spends their time. The goal in week 4 isn't to go viral, to get millions of random views, it's to get your first handful of real buyers. Because that first sale proves the entire thing actually works. And from there you scale up the content and the reach with much more confidence than you'd have just guessing. Now, here's why building it this way, with Claude handling the technical side, actually changes the entire equation compared to how this used to work in the past. A few years ago, platforms like School, System.io didn't really exist, so to build out a proper website, a checkout system, and a member portal meant you either learned to code yourself over months or even years, or you paid a developer thousands of dollars before you'd even make a single sale. And a lot of people simply never started because that upfront cost or time felt too risky. Claude collapses that entire timeline down to days instead of months, and it costs nothing close to what hiring a developer would, which means the actual barrier to starting this business has basically disappeared. The technical excuse that used to stop people from even attempting this is gone. I don't know how to code. It hasn't stopped me from making a lot of money. So the only thing that's left is whether you're actually gonna follow the plan and put in the work over these next 4 weeks. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. 30 days of genuine focus is plenty of time to go from having no business at all to having a real course, a real website that can take payments, and your first paying students eventually. If you actually follow the structure I just walked you through, instead of trying to do everything at once or focusing on so many different AI business models, you will get there. So to recap, week 1 is planning, week 2 is Claude building your infrastructure, or skip that entirely, use school.com or system.io, that's what I do. Week 3 is building out the actual course content, and week 4 is getting it in front of the right people. You run some ads, you start making some content, get attention. That's the entire roadmap summarized, and every single piece of it is something you can start today, regardless of whether you've ever written a line of code in your life. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.